today. Little crankbait. Well, not little, but you know. Alright, I think I'm gonna have the first fish on here. Look at that, dude. Oh, Jesus. Yep, alright. Alright, well, that is a good way to start out. That is a good way to start out fishing. She is full of eggs, I bet. What do you guys think, huh? Not bad, right? Put her in the box for a picture. Alright, well, this dude just he swiped at her and got him right in the cheek. But, yeah, I didn't even know he was on. Oh! See you later, dude. Alright, third bass of the day right here. See my boat flip him. Pepper, look out! Ow, ow, okay, alright, he does not like to be hooked. Alrighty, third fish, not bad, huh? There he goes. Alright, fourth fish on right here. If he'll come up, he might have got me stuck in a weed. Nope, I think he's off, and I think he's still on. There he is. See if I can land this thing. Oh. Boom. Boom, bada bang, boy. Not bad. Let's get a release on this dude. Bang. Got to pick up this Mondo right here. So let's turn her loose so she can go do her thing. Look at her, Pepper. All right, she's not interested. Ugh. All right. Oh dang. Ah. Alright, well, I lost my glove, but still got the fish. Bang! There he goes. Alright, time to get this glove back. Alright, so I managed to get the glove off, so we're back to the old regular crankbait, and we'll see what we can do, huh? Alright, so see how I'm fishing this? There used to be a whole bunch of rushes right along in through here, and because it's early spring, they're just dead rushes from last year. So I'm just, you know, pitching my bait in there, bringing it out nice and slow, and see if there's anything in there. Oh Lord, okay, this one might be a better one. Oh, he got me right down in the... Okay, never mind. He was just hooked. Oh, look at that boat flip though, huh? Okay, we're gonna try not to get my gloves hooked again. Oh, sorry, dude. All right, very next cast, got another one on. Ooh, very gentle boat flip. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. All right, hooks are out safe. Pepper, don't get it. And bang! He's gone. 5 tickles. Alright, got the fish out again, and I managed to, I managed not to hook myself again. Alright, next cast, got some big head jigs. at that. One hook out of the black treble. Right in the mouth. And there he goes. Oh, he's got one treble on the back. And we got him. See ya, dude. Well, we got another one on. All right, well, he came on. Oh, no, he didn't. We're still good. We're still good. He got me wrapped around the rush, and I swore he came off, but I guess. All right, well, I don't know if I told you guys this, but it is about 40 degrees out. It has been raining all morning, and it quit, so I figured I'd get out here and get a few casts in while I could. But yeah, I wish you guys could see how freaking cold it is out there. All right, well, I cannot feel my fingers, so it's gonna be the last cast. Hopefully we can get lucky, but if not, it's fine. We caught a decent amount of fish today. Even with that one like 4 or 5 pounder. That was actually a really big surprise, but hey, I'll take it, right? All right, so as you guys can tell, we got the boat put on the trailer. So I'd say that is a pretty good success for my first time out on the boat this year. I mean, we caught a bunch of, like, you know, 12, 13, 14 inch bass. And then we caught that really nice, probably, I'd say it was probably close to like 4 to 5, you know, pound. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will try to get out here as soon as I can.